So in my hand right here is probably 50 years worth of plant material. And then what we do is we take the minerals out of the material in a method called osmosis. Now every day you people do osmosis. In osmosis, you have a high concentration, in this case tea, inside of a tea bag. And before I put the tea in the water, there was no tea in the water. And when I put the tea in the bag in the water, then all of a sudden we have osmosis occurring. And if I leave the tea in here long enough, eventually there'll be a same concentration in the bag as there is in the water. We don't need chemicals to stimulate this or speed it up. We just allow time, temperature, and barometric pressure in a controlled environment. So if we kind of take some of this and we put it in here, and if we did shale that was in the nature way and we grind it up, this is what it looks like. Now it was a slow grind, and you can see how easily it breaks up. And the reason why we do this with our product is that it increases the surface space when we do the osmosis. Just like with any nutritional product, and I'm going to show you a brief little experiment in just a few minutes, that if we increase the surface space in our small intestines and colon with nutritional products, we're going to have greater absorption or availability. Okay. So then we basically create osmosis. So just like with the tea right now, the minerals that was in that material are now leaching into this water. And the leaching is occurring. The minerals are just going into the water. No chemicals. We don't have to add bleach or anything like that to the product to speed up the acid or other acids. If we had a more inferior product, we might have to do that. So after we give it enough time, we know and we measure the concentration, we actually know how much dissolved material is in the liquid. Now I'm making this look very simple, and I guarantee it's far more complex, so I don't want to encourage you to do this at home. So what we do is we start filtering out all the large remaining material. And with each batch we test to make sure that we have consistency in the full spectrum mineral products. And we filtered this down to under a micron in size. So the particles that are in suspension are very, very small. Okay, who has the most? Let's see now. Kampai?
Kampai.
Kampai.